Okay, we're going to go to the splash pad. Is it cold? Crazy. Alright guys, so we're just taking a break here, having had some lunch, and we're gonna play. We're still eating. And we're gonna play Wet Head. Yeah! Cousins edition.
We'll put it on Leslie.
Yeah, we can put on Leslie too. We'll take turns, okay?
Oh no.
Alright, let's do it.
Put the sticks in.
Let's open it up. There's a spinner, there's a helmet, and we're gonna take turns. Leslie, we filled it up. Leslie's going first.
Leslie first. One.
Okay, Leslie got one. Okay. Okay, Leslie, let's put it on.
Put it on. Great.
There. Okay, pull one out, Leslie. Or pull one for her. Oh, you're safe. Okay, next person. Next is Kylie.
Can you please?
Put it on the box. Maybe it's better.
Oh.
Put it on the box here.
It says pull one.
Tight. Pull it.
No, Kylie, pull it tight.
No, pull this tight, Amy.
She got. I got it.
You got it already?
Kylie got it.
Ready? Oh! It's gonna be Amy's turn. She's gonna spin. You gotta pull two, but waiting for Nani to come back. Okay, so Amy, Nani's back, and we're gonna pull two. Okay, go pull one.
I don't know which one.
Just pull it.
Pull.
Come on, pull it.
I'll pull it for you.
Oh, that's one. Oh, no, you're good. You're safe. One more. Okay. Oh, you're safe. All right, you're safe. Woo.
I know what I'm gonna get.
Uh-oh, okay. Who's next? All right, it's Nani's turn.
I'm gonna get
She's got to spin. Go, Ari.
Go, Ari.
What is that?
It says skip turn.
Skip a turn. Oh, you're safe, Nani. Tail's turn. Okay, it's gonna put the towel under. There you go.
That really fits your head, right? Please
Okay,
skip
let's
a
see.
turn.
Oh, one. He's gonna pull one. Let's see. Two, yeah. Yeah. He's safe.
I got a feeling that I'm gonna get it.
Oh, Leslie's turn again. Are you ready, Leslie? Turn it. Yeah. One for Leslie. Pull one for Leslie. Yay! Leslie's safe. Who's next? Kylie turn.
Pull one.
Pull it for her. Help her. Okay, you're safe. Woo! Okay, you choose. Let her choose the one she wants to pull. Then you can help her. Okay, let's see how many first. You're right.
One.
Okay, one. And there's one in the back too. You know that one? Okay.
Please, no. No two.
So it goes back to Amy.
One. Please, go.
Oh, you almost made it. Tail got safe. Yay! Okay, so we're on round three. Round three.
Pull down.
One. Safe. Oh, he's safe. He's turn again.
Like this, okay?
There, one.
Okay, one.
One for Leslie. Oh, you're safe. Amy,
I wanna get
have her put it on.
Oh, I'm gonna get it today.
One.
Okay, I'm gonna help you.
Oh, you pulled it. You want to do it fast.
Really want to get
You want to get wet?
No.
You're crazy. And
I'm crazy. You're crazy.
yes, I am crazy. 2. Oh no. Oh,
Wait,
what's
hold
that?
on. It says
Reverse. Oh, back to Kylie.
I'm safe!
First.
Spin, dude!
Spin, Kylie.
Ow! I'm just gonna do this one.
Oh, safe. Oh, it's you, Leslie. Minute, Leslie.
One and spin again.
Okay, 1 and spin again.
Okay, I'll pull one for you.
Oh no! Is it cold, Leslie? Is it cold? No, that's not. You want some towel? Get a towel?
Okay. It's over there. It's over there. Wow.
Oh, Leslie. Woo.
Good
Was that
job,
fun?
Leslie. Did you like
Got
it?
it. Now
Did
you.
you like it? No.
She didn't like it. But it was fun, right? Okay, Teresa, we're here on round 4. And Tail's going first. Oh, what's that?
Skip. Let's go.
A skip? Oh.
I don't want to get wet. 1 and spin again.
1 and spin again. Oh! You got it, man. Still going. Oh my god.
Wow, you're in last place.
I wish you could fill it with
Are you
like
serious?
round 5. That was a quick one. Let me spin it. 1, okay. Ah, lucky. Did she spin? Okay, you got 1?
Yeah, I got 1 here.
Oh, okay. And she's going. Pull. Yeah, you're safe.
Leslie, it's your turn.
Okay, so Leslie's gonna be out for this round. Tail next. Oh,
Oh,
what do you get? 1 and spin again. Do it. Oh, you're gonna be safe. Gonna get 2. Oh, 1. Got 1. Oh, he's safe. How is Tail doing this? He's escaped getting wet this entire 5 rounds. Okay, Nons. 2. Tail, that's 2.
Yeah, now it can't be me.
Gotta pull 2. 1. Again! 3 times! Oh, round 5.
My towel's so wet.
Wow, you don't have any luck today, Nons. Okay.
And the tail.
Okay, so let's just do you 2 then.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, only you 2 haven't got wet. So it's Amy and
Whoever
Mateo.
doesn't get wet
It's
is
gonna be final round between Teo and Amy. Yeah, 1. 1 for Teo. Yeah, safe. 1.
Hold on. Get wet.
Don't eat it. Oh, 1 for Teo.
I need your bar.
Oh! Oh, you got it! Ah, you're wet. You got it safe, finally. And the one who really wanted to get wet is not safe. Oh, Amy wants to get wet, so everybody's gonna pull her.
No, you have to.
Leslie, pull 1 too.
I'm pulling.
Oh, Amy's gonna get wet.
No.
Go.
Let's go.
Oh, now you're.
Let's try it again.
Oh, I'll try it again. 1.
One.
Hold it, let's see.
Ow.
1.
With the other one.
Pull the other one.
Ow, my head.
Pull it.
Ow, my head. My head.
Oh, there it is.
That's how it
Finally
felt
got
to get wet.
Yay.
That's relaxing.
Okay, guys, go play. That was fun. Set, go.